We start with the 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. Right now we are within this down move. We want to see what's the next because the way it's moving is really corrective. Anyway, we start with the daily chart. And if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking at this one. And if we mention if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it. And we need to see the breakout of the 18. Anyway, the way it's moving is really corrective, and we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we see the reversal. And we don't have any opportunity for buy. And if I move to forward chart, even based on forward chart, we are within this corrective move. All right, no one see what's the next, but what I see here is really sharp, and we prefer the price tag the previous low before we look for the reversal. All right, because mostly we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction, and as extension we look for buy. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, and we're looking for the reversal. Based on lower time frame, we're looking for 9.6 following by 10.6 as the targets. But at this point, we don't have any opportunity for buy, and we have to wait. And if I move to 1 hour chart, either we wait for the price drop, we see the breakout of the previous low, we look for the reversal, or even if the price reverse from here as a sharp move, like we can take the trade. But at this point, we don't have any opportunity, any trade setup for buy, and we are not really interested to look for sell because any sell is a short term. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.